So how do you enable the double tap on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So the thing that you are likely referring to is part of the settings where you can scroll down through the menus which appear, and I want you to find the gestures. So it's part of there. We have the cover to mute, and it kind of depends on your Apple Watch, right? So it kind of depends on which series you have, because on the older models it might look slightly different, but on the newer models, I believe starting with the Series 9, and you will be able to find the double tap feature, right? So it's one of the things which shows up at the top. You can tap on it and of course enable it with the toggle there. So of course it means that you tap your index finger and a thumb together twice to answer a call, reply to a message, or see your smart stack. These are the options, so you can of course enable it like that. And below you also have some different controls once you enable it, right? So that's how it kind of works. As I said, it may not show up for all devices, but also it used to be part of the accessibility section and not of the gestures. So try to dig through the accessibility if you cannot find it there for some reason. Depends on your watchOS software version as well. So just go through it, but that's basically the thing that you probably have in mind. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.